Hello everyone at the meadows. That's Jeni. Say hi, Jeni. Jeni's out for her morning walk. It's 3 weeks today that Jeni had surgery on her knee. See where she had her leg shaved. But she's feeling better. We go for little walks several times a day. We just have to keep her on a leash so she doesn't do too much and get too overactive and excited and wants to play with Walt. There's Walt. Hi, Walt, buddy. Good boy. Walt. Jeni, Walt. Walt, do you have a toy? Walt, go find a toy. Go find a toy. Oh, look at that. He has a toy handy, no? Walt, go find a toy. He's checking out all the trees in the orchard here. Okay, Jeni, we're going to keep on our walk. We'll go check out the garden, see how everything's going there. Walt. Hi, Walt. Walt, can you come here for a moment? Walt, come here. Come. Good boy. Okay, Walt, can you do a trick? Walt, sit. Walt, sit. 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 Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Can you lie down? Walt, lie down. And he said hi. Lie down. Walt, stop. Lie down. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. There he goes. Oops, oops, oops. Hey, oh. Oops. That's my fault. See just how easy that can happen. Danny and him get excited and they want to wrestle and play, and we can't do that. Sorry guys, that was my fault. Okay, everyone at the meadows, take care. We're just going to continue on our walk with Jeni and Walt. See you soon. Bye.